All right, strategic learning. I was glad to be able to support you guys. I was asked to create a video to show students how to compare composite functions with the different operations. The thing that you guys are going to have to clarify is if you say f of x plus g of x, that because the calculator only uses f of 1, f2, f3, f4, they're just going to kind of have to do some association of which one they put in first. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to clear the calculator by pressing on 1, and then we're going to say no. We're going to open up a graph, and let's start with the simplest that we can do. Let's just say x plus 1. That's going to be f1. Let's define f2 by pressing tab, which would be g of x, and let's say that it's x squared minus 4. So we got a quadratic and we got a parabola. Well, you can pretty much see what's going on right here with our quadratic, and we have our linear function right here, which was the first one. So first thing we want to do is we want to just add f of 1 plus f of 2. So let's do that. Tab, we're going to press variable f1. Remember, when you see the parentheses, we have to define it by what variable? X plus variable f2, and enter. We're going to again define our variable, close our parentheses, press enter. So right now what we see is f of x, f1 of x plus f2 of x, or for you it will be f of x plus g of x, right? And look at what we got. Oh my goodness. So when combined, this is how the graph changed. So let's see what happens if we take the difference. Let's see. Tab, variable, remember that, f1, enter, x, close parentheses, we said difference, so that means subtract. We're going to still do f of 2, select f of 2, enter, put our variable x in parentheses, press enter, boom. And why do you think that is? Can you discuss that? Of course, because when we subtracted, we distributed negative 1 times x squared minus 4, so that became negative x squared plus 4. And of course, it affected the graph. Let's do one more. Let's do f of g of x, or f1 of f2 of x, and see how that works. So again, tab, right? Tab. Oh, let me get out of here. Let me get out of there. Let me press escape to let go of stuff. Tab, I got my thing back. Variable f1 of variable f2, all about what? X, correct? So when we put x in here, that's like f of g of x, right? So when we get that, boom, look how that changed it. It's not the same as when you add it, is it? So as you play with this, you can start to compare to see which. Is there another one you wanted to see? You wanted to see the difference. I mean, not the difference, the quotient. Okay, let's try quotient. I don't have a problem doing that. Tab, control, divide, variable, f1, enter, about x, close parentheses, we're going to come down, divided by variable f2, enter, about x. Oh, isn't that pretty? Look at all this nonsense that's going on around here. Well, not nonsense, it's pretty nonsense. But we see what happens when we divide it. We all of a sudden have some asymptotes. We have some change directions. We can see what's going on right here, right? All right, guys, I hope this helps. I hope this helps with your exploration in your classroom. Please let me know what else I can do to support you, the video support, so it can make it easy for everyone. Thank you, Mr. Picard, for making the request and sharing it with your teams. You guys have a great day.